Dano. Educational learning.
Ordinal numbers. What is ordinal numbers? Ordinal number is a number defining the position of something in a series, such as first, second, or third. Ordinal numbers are used as adjectives, nouns, and pronouns. Here we have Jessica, Daisy, Brittany, and Emma in a race. Brittany is in first place, Jessica in second place, Daisy in third place, and Emma in fourth place. Let us count to 10 with ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Thank you for learning about ordinal numbers with Dano Educational Learning.